Hey guys, today we're going to be playing with my slime, and it's very fun. I'll show you some life hacks and tips to play with your slime. So first one is you have to have a container to put it in and all that, and and all that great stuff you need, which is a spoon and a container to put it in. You don't want to dry, because you don't want to get stuff all over your hands, and then you have to wash and then you lose some of your slime. And you don't want your slime to dry out the first thing you get it. I'm sorry about the TV in the back of my mom's show. She's watching a show that only comes on in the summer. So, I just came back from Connecticut today. First time I ever went out in New York. And it was so much fun. The video below, I just posted a video today. I was coming home with my cousin. Oh God, go away. Sorry, there's a little bit of bugs in our house right now because we're building it, remodeling, and yeah. So if you guys see any bugs around the house during the video, means that's a good thing, because means that we're remodeling. It took me a day or two to put my slime hands in this slimy slime. You can see it there. It's so slimy right there. Yeah, so it barely comes off. So. That's real smart coming from the person who is on the block right now. Yes, smug. So guys, as you can see, I'm playing this. I'm gonna show you also some life hacks. So I'm gonna make my bowl dirty and like slime and all. Your slime all over the walls. This is just to demonstrate for you guys. You see here? I am only doing this because my bowls are messy right now. So if it's messy, like it's up here. Ooh. You have to dig it. Okay. So if it's like messy, it's usually here, like that. Means you have one life hack you would do. You can put it in. You can put your hands in and then put it in the slime, or you can do the move I like to call it the washing machine. And so you put your spoon in the middle, stir it around a little bit, and then you go faster, like a machine. And it's really hard to get a new container I put in today. My old container broke, and that no slime on the edges or anything. That is how you. And then it also comes in a cool ball. And then you can try and pick it up if you want to. I haven't done that yet. But oh God. My brothers. Ew. Oh my God. So it's really fun. My brother's slime is gray. I don't know why I got gray. I got white because it's natural. I will show you my brother's slime.
Jessica. Jason,
Yeah.
I picked you to play Haruhito because
Yeah,
no
this
one
one.
understands how
He doesn't do the washing machine as much as I do, so it's all messy.
Despite how crappy all of that was, I still want to stay here. So I really hope that you take me off the phone.
Hey,
Thank
it's
you.
not sticky as mine.
Dominique.
That's weird.
Hello, Jason. I was framed
So
by
guys,
my own team. There is a snake in the house, and I made that known. And also, he's dressed appropriately. And he also has minions that are working for him. I will not call those individuals out because I know that whatever they sow, they shall reap. If you see
Gray
fit
slime.
to take me off the block, thank you. But if you don't, I perfectly
white slime and
understand.
gray slime.
Thank you.
Dominique, do you
I honestly
think
like the white
if I
slime
used
better.
Power Veto on you, that you and I would rally? What do you think the outcome would be?
Very obvious that I will not be willing to work with my team because they clearly stabbed me in the back. If you were to stand in my shoes and witness the behavior of Paul the night prior and the behavior of Paul and Elena,
So I want to cut the video short for today because I just uploaded a video and edited it and everything. So yeah. So end up the video. Look at this. I haven't done this yet.
Not to use the power of veto.
Bye guys, and have a great day. Or shall I say,
This meeting is
night.
adjourned.
Peace out.